What's up, York? He's actually out today. Usually he's fucking chilling in his house. It's been really tough to think of ideas every single week, I'm not gonna lie. I guess we're doing the usual today, fucking around. You also might notice throughout the video, you can see this shit on my arm. I fell off my longboard. I don't have any clips of it, sadly, but Emily took a video right after I fell, so.
Look at that.
I don't know what it looks like, but...
It looks really bad.
Yeah, that kind of sucked ass. So I bought 18 eggs, and Emily lives in front of like kind of a major road, so my friend Enzo is gonna drive across the street, and I'm gonna try to hit him with the eggs, and he's gonna try to not get hit while in the car. The people on this road that aren't Enzo are probably thinking I'm just egging all these cars. There's the boy. No! Everyone's tense driving down Cocoa Avenue, thinking they're about to get fucked. All right, this is gonna be the fucking, like, the quad kill. Oh, man. All the eggs just chilling in the street. Oh, man.
God damn it. I hope my mom doesn't see this video.
Alright, we're at the car wash. Just so Enzo's mommy doesn't get mad about his car. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh!
I've got the extra. We found a bunch of free paint at the side of the road.
This is interior. Well, it has ants on because of how I had it out. Take them all.
Take them all? Alright.
No, take them all. It's all free.
Do you have any fun ideas to do with paint? Anything?
It's lots of work. That's what it is.
Work?
This is good stuff too, probably.
Literally just a bunch of paint on the side of the alley with a sign that said free, and that guy was like describing all of like the fucking aspects of this paint, and we're just grabbing random shit because we're trying to find something to do. Now there's a fucking fridge. Let's go. Fridge gang? Question mark? I don't know what to do with this thing after we paint it though. Like we can paint a big cock on it, then where are we gonna put it? We've got a big question of if this will float in water. So I think we're going to try to take it to a fucking river. How to make your fridge into a boat. Nice.
That could be the motor.
I don't... Yeah, Jesus Christ, bro.
Nolan, stop everything you're doing right now. We need your van.
Damn it, I'm running out of space. The SS fridge. Let's see if this fucking works.
Yeah, you gotta get out in the deep water, bro. Look at the dick. Don't tip it over, bro. You have to literally be in the exact... Oh, yeah. Check. There we go.
Oh, is this gonna work? Bro, I think it is.
Jack, do you want to use this as a paddle?
Dude, it's not gonna even work. I'll tip over if I fucking hold that thing. I'm gonna try to come back.
Oh, please. The big baller brand. Let's go.
Jack!
Yeah, he's dead. No. I'd say this was fairly successful. This was very successful. Well, I'll try. Nice jump. That'd be terrible. That would be funny.
We have to fucking haul this fridge back up the hill now because we don't want to pollute the water with the fridge.
Dude, this was just fucking cool. Dude, the metal
That was so easy.
Let's go.
R.I.P. fridge. So, we're finally getting use out of the fireworks. We got the duffel bag full of them, and we're at a safe location. Or at least as safe as it's gonna get. Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Oh my god! They ricochet, bro! They fucking ricochet! Dude, this is fucking wild! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh my god!
Dude, I didn't know they bounced.
Yeah, I didn't either. That was fucking wild. I got the duo too. Oh god. Oh my lord, that was so close. Well, thanks for watching. That was pretty sick. This pussy fucking sucks. Next Sunday.
Something that lame probably kill for me. Too much money for a bill for me. Cartier frames, tennis.
Oh my god, I'm on YouTube. Oh my god. Oh my god.